Hey everyone, welcome back. If your TD Bank balance is not updating, it's usually due to syncing or temporary system issues. First of all, go ahead and pull down on the account screen to refresh the balance manually. Next, go ahead and log out of the app and log back in to reload your account data. After that, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if not possible. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for TD US Bank, close the app completely, then reopen it. If the balance still does not update, then do that. After that, sometimes balances update after a short delay, especially outside business hours. Once refreshed, your correct balance should appear in the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.